Now you have all the information that you need. But can you utilize InVideo AI for a channel's growth? Well, you actually can. You should be using InVideo AI for a lot of different things. Because creating single type of videos in a single niche will not be beneficial all the time. It might be beneficial for some time, but not always. So you need to be using InVideo AI's powerful tools to diversify your content, meaning that you need to have a long-term strategy. What do I mean by that? Let's say that you are creating older reviews. You're creating reviews about the movies or books or anything else. You know what will happen? Initially, the channel will have a blast. It will grow really fast, but then it will reach its maximum potential audience. And if you're creating only single type of videos, which are the reviews, it will not be that large. You will eventually start losing all the viewers faster than you will be gaining newer ones. And YouTube does not like when someone loses viewers. They like when they gain viewers almost exclusively. So what you need to be doing in order to alleviate that, you need to diversify your content to push people to other types of content or to pull new people to those new type of content. And how to do that? Well, you need to diversify and explore new formats. By exploring new formats, you need to add different types of videos. For example, instead of just doing reviews, you can do also comparisons. And InVideo AI will create amazing comparison videos for you. Or for example, you can do just top 10s or top 5s or top 25s. No matter whichever number will suit you, you can create those. You can criticize the same book, for example, if you have a book reviews from different sides, like from the bad parts, or the talk about only the bad sides or talk only about the good sides. And this way you're gonna have much more diverse videos. But it will not be that easy. You will actually need to invest a little bit more into InVideo AI to create more different videos. So if I'll say that all you will need is a free subscription to InVideo AI, I will be lying. You can start with free subscriptions, but quickly you will outgrow it and you will need something more powerful. And you will need some additional tools that InVideo AI will provide for you. Unfortunately, not for free. But because your channel will grow and most likely will generate quite sizable revenue for you, I don't think that it will be a big issue to invest a little bit more in InVideo AI. But what you need to pay really close attention to is analytics. You need to analyze all those different types of videos and see what things work and what things do not work. Because if you don't look at the numbers, you will never know what will work, and eventually your channel will start failing. And then again, dedicated audience is a foundation of your channel, but your content are the walls. And you need to build your channel brick by brick. Well, each brick will be a video and your content. Not just videos, it can be community posts or anything else. Every type of content will work. So we need to be building the channel brick by brick and to analyze all the trends and also adapt to the changes. Because yes, changes will happen. People are viewing different types of content different times of the year and in different times in their lifetime. People grow up, they grow older, or sometimes younger audiences are joining and will want different types of content than you create. And you need to be able to see those trends and adapt to it. Otherwise, if you'll be creating same things over and over and over again for years, you will eventually fail. So you need to plan for this from the very beginning. And what you also need to do is setting correct milestones to your channel. If you think that reaching 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers is very easy because other YouTube gurus painted it to you, well, let me be a bearer of bad news. If it was that easy, everyone would do it. It's not really that easy, but it's not really that difficult as well, because all it takes is some time and dedication and will to do that. Understand that it will take around the same amount of time to reach from 0 to 100 subscribers as it is from 100 to 1,000, as it is from 1,000 to 10,000, and as it is from 10,000 to 100,000. As you will grow and understand more and more things, you will start growing exponentially until you reach the peak plateau. And you should try to not reach this peak plateau as soon as possible. Basically, you should try to reach it as late as possible. That's what I want to say. And you should have correct expectations with everything. Don't think that your success will come overnight. No matter it's a face or faceless channel, it will require same amount of work. The difference between face and faceless channels are not how fast you can reach it. The difference is that amount of equipment and amount of skills that you need to have are a little bit different. For faceless channels, you just don't need a camera, microphone, or lighting, but you still need a good video editing skills or at least good vision for the good videos and good video topics. It's not just a matter of clicking one button and everything will be done for you. InVideo AI will be doing 80% things for you, but you need to give it the correct instructions and also fix the mistakes when they will eventually happen. Overall, setting correct milestones will help you a lot, and I highly suggest you to do so. And yeah, that's basically it with this course. And yep, in the next lecture or our last lecture, we're going to be wrapping everything up and giving you some things to do for the future. So I'm going to see you there. Take care.